Hello everyone. As I have just mentioned about the doubling logic, how do we use the doubling logic in the addition? Let us see one more sum on the same point. Let's see how that logic works more quickly. Like 48 plus 87 plus 75 plus 18 plus 25 and you can say 37. Okay, enough of these numbers now to add. So now keep the criteria in mind, always making the groups of 10. The second one is see if the same numbers are repeating in the addition sum. You can always pick up those numbers to make it double. Okay. So now you can see with the observation like 8 and 8 is coming. So 8 and 8 makes 16. 7 and 7 is coming, which is making 14. And 5 and 5 makes 10. Now 6 and 4 is making 10. Correct. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is making 40. Write 0. Carry 4. Now I can see 4 and 4 makes 8. 8 and 8 makes 16. Okay, so keep 16 in mind. Now 7 plus 1 plus 2, that makes 10. 10 and 3 is 13. And 13 plus 16, that is 29. So this addition is 290. So the criteria I have worked and chosen over here is making it double. Because the same numbers are repeating. That is 8 and 8. 7 and 7, 5 and 5. Or if at all you can see 8 and 16 is coming, or 9 and 18, or you can say 27 and 45. These are the multiples of the same times table. These are the multiples of 8. 8 is the first multiple, 16 is the second multiple of 8, which is making the third multiple of 8, that is 24. 9 is the first multiple, 18 is the second multiple, which is making the third multiple of 9, which is 27. 27 is the third multiple, 45 is the fifth multiple, which is making the eighth multiple of 9, that is 9 eights are 72. So which can make your oral additions more quick if you use this times table or the doubling logic, because doubling is always easy to make and easy to understand and easy to calculate. So that can make your addition more quick. By now you have understood like how this completing the whole doubling logic makes your calculation more easy. Only the thing is, keep in mind whatever you have kept in mind, use that technique to understand and relate to the sum. Now I'm going to explain you the third strategy, how we can do the additions more quick by using the nearest 10. By using the nearest tens or nearest hundreds. Okay? How can we use this? Like suppose I have got the sum 98 plus 45 plus 69. Okay? So I can see 98 is just near 100. That is 100 less 2. And 69 I can see is nearest tens number for 69 is 70 less 1. Okay. So what I can do is I can add 100 and 70. That is 170. And I take away 3 from this. Or if you don't want to take away 3 from this, you can take away 3 from this 45. So 170, keep in mind 45 minus 3 is 42. So 170 plus 42, which makes my calculation more easy. That is 17 and 4 is 21 and 2. That is 212. So the logic I have used over here is completing it to the nearest 100 or nearest tens. And whatever the extra digits I have added, please do subtract them. Okay? Do subtract them. Now the same way additions, this logic can be used for additions or subtraction. The same way. Now if suppose I have a sum, suppose 169 plus 275. Okay? Now remember how can you do is 275, either you can keep in mind it is plus 300 minus 25. So you can add 300, that is 469, and 469 minus 25 you can always do if that is more easy for you. So it is 369 minus 25. Minus 25 you are doing is 344. Now you can see 9 plus 5 is 14, right? 4 carry 1. 7 and 7 is 14, right? 4 carry 1. And that is 444. Sorry, 444. Okay. So this is what we are doing by adding it to the nearest hundreds or nearest tens. So I hope you understand this logic, but whatever number extra you have added, please do subtract that number, or if you have subtracted, please do add that specific number. So I hope you understand this logic. Thank you so much.